गणपति गणेश भगवान की जय। सबको जय सीताराम। It is indeed a blessing to be here with you in Avocat village in Toby Trace tonight, to join in Ganesh Utsav, this festival of Lord Ganesh. Ganesh Baba, who means so much to us and yet could mean so much more. As we welcome him on this day, we open our hearts as well, and may success and wisdom be with us at all times. I invite everyone at this time to clasp your hands, close your eyes as we do Bandhana. We pay our respects to the Devatas before we engage in Katha tonight. Om Gam Ganapatye Namaha. Om Gam Ganapatye Namaha. Om Gam Ganapatye Namaha. Om Yam Brahma Vedanta Vido Vadanti Param Pradhanam Purusham Tathane Vishvodgate Karanam Ishwaram Va Tasmai Namo Vighana Vinashanaya. Om Jnana Dehi Smriti Dehi Vidya Vidyadhidevate Pratishtang Kavitang Dehi Saraswati Namo Namaha. Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Devo Maheshwaraha Guru Sakshat Param Brahm Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Om Sarva Mangal Mangalye Shive Sarvartha Sadhike Sharanye Trambake Gauri Narayani Namastute. Nagendra Haraya Trilochanaya Bhasmangaragaya Maheshwaraya Nityaya Shuddhaya Digambaraya Tasmai Nakaraya Namah Shivaya. Om Tat Purushaya Vidmahe Mahasenaya Dhimahi Tanu Skandaha Prachodayat. Om Namo Brahman Devaya Gau Brahman Hitaya Cha Jagaditaya Krishnaya Govindaya Namaha. Siddhi Vinayak Ganapati Ganesh Bhagavan ki jai. Sarva Devata Sarva Devya ki jai. Guru Maharaj ki jai. As we invoke the divine light in the depths of our hearts, we ask Ganesh Baba to protect us. As we surrender ourselves, make this day of ours a happy one, and all days forthcoming, O Lord. May you take care of us. सुमिरन दीप जलाई के करो हृदय में ध्यान, शरण परे की लाज रख हे मेरे भगवान। रख लाज मेरी गणपति, रख लाज मेरी गणपति, रख लाज मेरी गणपति। अपनी शरण में दीजिए हर आज मंगल गणपति। अपनी कृपा आप कीजिए, रख लाज मेरी गणपति। सिद्धि विनायक दुख हरण, संताप हारी सुख करण। सिद्धि विनायक दुख हरण, संताप हारी सुख करण। संताप हारी सुख करण। करु प्रार्थना में नित प्रति, वरदान मंगल दीजिए। रख लाज मेरी गणपति। तेरी दया तेरी कृपा, हे नाथ हम मांगे सदा। तेरी दया तेरी कृपा, हे नाथ में मांगे सदा। हे नाथ हम मांगे सदा। तेरे ध्यान में होवे मति, वरदान अब मैं दीजिए। रख लाज मेरी गणपति, रख लाज मेरी गणपति। करके प्रथम भव बंदना तेरा नाम है दुख भंजना करते 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 प्रथम भव बंदना तेरा नाम है दुख भंजना तेरा नाम है दुख भंजना करुणा प्रभु मेरे शुभ गति करुणा प्रभु मेरे शुभ गति अब तो शरण दे दीजिए रख लाज मेरी गणपति रख लाज मेरी गणपति अपनी शरण में दीजिए रख लाज मेरी गणपति गणपति गणपति। May Ganesh Baba take care of every breath and every step of ours, especially in the times as this. May we place all our faith and our trust in Him and our love in Him. Siddhi Vinayak Ganapati Ganesh Bhagwan ki Jai. So, this village and the people I see here tonight, I know you are accustomed to Ganesh Yagya in an elaborate way. But we have adjusted according to the times, but we have not given up our love for Bhagwan. And that is very important. That despite the times we are in, we must never forget Bhagwan. So of course we know that for the next 10, 11 days, what have you, this is not a Ganesh Murti again. From the time Pran Pratishtha was done, it is Ganesh Bhagwan. So that's the first thing we must remember in Ganesh Puja and Ganesh Utsav. That is not a Ganesh Murti we do puja for. Murti is before you do Pran Pratishtha. Samjhe? With Pran Pratishtha it becomes Ganesh Baba. So we are fortunate to have Ganesh Baba in our presence. And he's the chief patron of this worship for these few days that are coming up. And while he is here with us physically in this form, do not give up the opportunity that you have to do your puja. That is the most important thing in Ganesh Yag. Because this form doesn't last throughout the year. It's a special time, a special blessing using this Dirtan Ganesh Ji. So it is a blessing and a privilege for all of us. And that is how we must approach this. To yield maximum blessings, because that is what we want in life. So I wouldn't go into that katha, how he was formed and shaped by Parvati Ma, using and scraping the dirt and forming that beautiful boy and infusing Pran Pratishtha life into that form. We won't delve too much into that. But tonight, first and foremost, I wanted to refer from a book that is called Sharada Tilak. And it describes when we are doing meditations, we do jap to Lord Ganesh, and we have many mantras. In fact, every Ganesh mantra is a Siddhi mantra. It gives you great benefits if you chant it properly. And when you derive those benefits, you use it wisely. Because if you misuse those siddhis, you also incur strap from Lord Ganesh himself. So all of these things are reminders. So Ganesh Ji, what is the type of picture in our minds we must have at all times when we meditate on Lord Ganesh? Because in Sharda Tilak it is described. So I will firstly call the lok. You know we have different lokas, right? So the first thing is the lok, the realm that Bhagwan Ganesh controls. And that realm is called Swanandham. That abode of blissfulness at all times. Swanandham, that lok. And in that lok there's an island. And that island is called Chintamani Dweep. Chintamani means all the different gems that have different shines and lusters, like all the different gems that you can think of. That island, that is the soil, in fact. That is the sun. That is what that island is made up of, the gems. And further mention is made now, you know, there are 7 oceans, right? Dadhi Sagar, Kshir Sagar, and on and on. Lord Ganesh presides in Chintamani Dweep, and that Sagar, just like Lord Vishnu is in Kshir Sagar, the Milky Ocean, Lord Ganesh is in Ikshuras Sagar. Ikshuras. That is a word that is very close to us as Trinidadians, as Indian indented descendants. Ikshuras, the word ik. When do we know that word? Cane, sugar cane. So that ocean that is with sugar cane juice. Just as there is a Dadhi Sagar, a Grit Sagar. This is Mrityu Sagar because this is the one with death that we live on. But Lord Ganesh, he presides over Ikshu Ras Sagar. That ocean of cane juice. And how is it? The seas around there, imagine that picture, because all of these things I'm telling you, not to show off. It is for you to understand and remember when you meditate on Lord Ganesh, what to picture in your mind. Samjhe? That is the purpose of this Katha tonight. Because we don't know it. Correct? Nice. So, picture Ikshu Ras Sagar. The cane juice, instead of the, like when you go to Losiro, you see the waves breaking, right? That froth there, from the salty ocean, right? Similarly, breaking upon the shores of Chintamani Dweep, the sugarcane juice, that sugarcane juice, with its beautiful froth as well, the golden color. And of course, what quality the water is? Sweet. So that is the lok, Swanandham, and the Sagar, Ikshura Sagar. The island is called Chintamani Dweep. That is his transcendental abode when we speak of Ganesh Ji. Because you know, Ganesh Baba existed before he was born. We know that, right? Even in the battle with Tarkasur, when Kartikeya had to manifest and Kartikeya was on the battlefield, Akashvani, a heavenly voice, and it was Mahaganapati speaking there too. And when I said that one night in a yag, that Kartikeya's elder brother is Ganesh and also his younger brother. A guy wanted to debate that with me. But Ganesh was before, he was the son of Shiva and Parvati Ma. In fact, for their wedding, Ganesh Puja was done. Understand who we're speaking about. Not just Ganesha as Lord Shiva's son and Parvati Mata's son, but much more than that, he's Mahaganapati as well. So on this island, there's a certain place called Kalpadrum Upavan. It's an orchard. It's an orchard of Lord Ganesh, filled with the Kalpavriksha trees. What's the Kalpavriksha? The wish-healing trees. There are certain divine trees. We have the bale, we have the peepar, we have the neem, we have the mango. We use these things in puja not by guess, you know. And amongst all those trees in Kalpadrum Upavan, Lord Ganesha's favorite tree is a Parijata tree. A banyan tree, they say as well, in English. And under that tree, first there's a Mahapit, his great altar. So you remember in all of this, right? Because it's for you to remember before you even say Om Ganapatye Namaha. Samjhe? Chintamani Dweep, Kalpadrum Upavan it is called now. And under the Parijat, there's the Mahapit. And the design, because every Bedi, according to the pujas we do, there are certain recommended designs that we make. But of course in Trinidad, you know, we have artists, you know, so we extend it to the creativity aspect. But there are recommended diagrams for different pujas as well, even how to decorate your Bedi. So similarly, that altar, that peak that Ganesh Baba sits on, firstly there's a lotus drawing on the outer side. And there's a Shatkon. A Shatkon means a six-pointed star in that lotus. And then in that six-pointed star, there is now what is called a Trikund. A Trikund is a triangle. And in the middle of that, there's a dot, a bindu. And directly upon that dot, in that triangle, that is where the seat, the throne of Ganesh Baba is. See how much things we have to recall, or supposed to recall, or should recall, to deepen our meditation and our love and our faith. Because the more you know how to do it, is the better you will do it. The more equipped you are, right? And it is there on that beautiful asan, Singhasan, that is where Ganesh allows you to have audience with him when you meditate. So that is Ganesh Lok in a nutshell. One should meditate on Ganesh, and Ganesh Lok itself, you should meditate on the Lok itself, what I just described, even before you meditate on Ganesh Baba, to see a different result in your puja, in your worship. Now, we must never confuse Chintamani Dweep, that island, with an island like Hawaii or Barbados and those things, right? Never compare it with those things, please, in your mind. Your mind really can't use anything to compare that what I just described. But you have to think real hard and picture it and keep that. Because all of this means something to yourself as well. All the experiences that you have, it is from the Bhav Lok, the lok where you get feelings. And you know where that lok is? It is in the Mooladhara chakra. And that Lord of the Mooladhara chakra is Lord Ganesh, the first chakra. That is why it's called Mooladhara, the root chakra. And it is in your spine, there is also a triangle in the middle of it. Going straight down, straight from your brain, going straight down. A tube that is exactly like that triangle that Lord Ganesha sits on. And at the base there of your spine, in that center, that is the source of all feelings, all creation, all procreation, all energy as well. Everything is located at the base of your spine. That is Ganesh Baba. The ability to feel, the ability to respond at all times. Sensitivity. So I have so far described just his look. And before I continue, we join in a kirtan. Jai Ganaraya, Sri Ganaraya, Bolo. Jai Ganaraya, Sri Ganaraya, Mangal Murti Murya. Jai Ganaraya, Sri Ganaraya, Jai Ganaraya, Sri Ganaraya, Mangal Murti Murya, Mangal Murti Murya. Jai Ganaraya, Sri Ganaraya, Jai Ganaraya, Sri Ganaraya, Mangal Murti Murya. Siddhi Vinayak, Mangal Dayak. Siddhi Vinayak, Mangal Dayak. Siddhi Vinayak, Mangal Dayak, Ganapati Bappa Moria. Siddhi Vinayak, Mangal Dayak, Ganapati Bappa. Bolo! Jai Ganaraya, Sri Ganaraya, Jai Ganaraya, Sri Ganaraya, Mangal Murti Murya. Sindur Vadana, Pankaj Charana. Sindur Vadana, Pankaj Charana. Sindur Vadana, Pankaj Charana, Ganapati Bappa Moria. Sindur Vadana, Pankaj Charana, Ganapati Bappa Moria. Jai Ganaraya, Sri Ganaraya, Jai Ganaraya, Sri Ganaraya, Mangal Murti Murya. Jai Ganaraya, Sri Ganaraya, Mangal Murti Murya. Jai Ganaraya, Sri Ganaraya, Mangal Murti Murya. Siddhi Vinayak Ganapati Ganesh Bhagwan ki. I ask you to clasp your hands as we do this verse. Om Namo Vishnu Swarupaya, Namaste Rudra Rupine, Namaste Brahma Rupaya, Namo Ananta Swarupine. Siddhi Vinayak Ganapati Ganesh Bhagwan ki Jai. Namo Vishnu Swarupaya, Namo Rudra Rupine, Namaste Brahma Rupaya, Namo Anant Swarupine. Om. Salutations to thee, Lord Ganesh. We know before we do any mantra, we chant Om, right? We know that, everyone? Good. So, when we chant that Om, we must remember that we are saluting Lord Ganesh, because he is Om. Samjhe? So listen to the meaning of that mantra when you add Om before it now. Om, salutations to thee, O Lord Ganesh. So in all mantras, we always, when we chant that Om, salutations to thee, Lord Ganesh, first and foremost. That is how important Om is, because that is why he's Pratham Puja. Samjhe? Worship first. Once as we put that Om first, we have Ganesh intact. Samjhe? You are Vishnu, you are Rudra, you are Brahma. Salutations to you. Your forms and your names are infinite. Salutations to you again and again. So we look at it now, a few verses of the Ganesh Gita, which is part of the Ganesh Puran. Ganesh Gita, just as in Ramayana we have Ram Gita, that is when Sri Ram speaks directly. Anytime it's mentioned, that is Ram Gita. In the Mahabharata we have Bhagavad Gita. And in the Ganesh Puran we also have Ganesh Gita. So I'll just do a few verses. And Ganesh Babaji, just as Krishna was speaking to whom? Arjun. Because if somebody talking for themselves and nobody to listen, they will say that man trip off, right? So people with knowledge must be able to share the knowledge. But for you to share your knowledge, you must have an audience. Because it don't make sense. You're the brightest person on earth, but nobody want to hear you. So knowledge is to share. So Ganesh Ji is speaking to his great bhakt, Raja Varenya. And he's speaking now about himself, who he really is. Ganesh Ji is going to tell us in a couple verses. Om Gam Ganapataye Namo Namah. 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 Shive Vishnau Cha Shaktau Cha Suryamayi Naradhipa Yabhe Buddhir Yogaha Sasamyak Yogo Matumam Ahame Jadasmat Srijami Palayami Cha Vidham Visham Samharami Swalilaya. Om Gam Ganapate Namo Namah. Gam Ganapate Namo Namah. Om Gam Ganapate Namo Namah. Siddhi Vinayak Ganapati Ganesh Bhagwan ki. Shive Vishnau Cha Shaktau Cha. O Varenya, he's speaking to Varenya, Raja Varenya, O king. There is no difference between Shiva, Vishnu, Shakti, Surya and my self. There's no difference. To know what we are, and to know that we are one, and to realize this truth, I call this Samyak Yoga. Assuming different forms, I create, sustain, and dissolve endless universes by my Leelas. First, he mentions the Shiv Panchayatan Devatas as smart followers of the smart dharma, it is called. We worship in every puja 5 devatas. Ganesh Baba, we know that. Durga Ma, Shiva, Surya, and Lord Vishnu. And then there are some who worship only one form, and they deny themselves the other forms. And they say, it's only Lord Krishna I have. And we know people like that. And then there are some people, it's only Lord Shiva I have. Oh, Lord Shiva is the best. He's the God of gods. Oh, Lord Vishnu, he is the God of gods. And then some, they call them the Shaktyas. They say, Durga, Devi Ma. She's the boss, nothing else. She's the biggest. And then there are even followers of Lord Ganesh, predominantly called Ganapatyas. But Lord Ganesh says, all are one and one is all. And we must, if he recognizes them, we must recognize all as well. And it mustn't be exclusive in our worship, because it really boils down to narrow-mindedness sometimes. We must be able to embrace, and we must be able to change some of the things that we think made sense. Because many of the things we think make sense really didn't make no sense, you know. We were brainwashed sometimes into following some practices, you know. So, these 5 devatas, I call that Yoga, Samyak Yoga, understanding we are all one. Ahamev Mahavishnu, Ahamev Sadashiva, Ahamev Mahashaktir, Ahamev Aryama Priya, Ahameko Nrinam Natho, Hataha Pancha Vidaraha Pura, Agyanam Mamana Jananti, Jagat Karan Karanam. I am, O King, I am Mahavishnu. Because then you know the followers Vaishnava, we call the Lord Supreme Parabrahm, we call him what? Mahavishnu. So he says, I am that. I am also the followers who love Lord Shiva, they call that Supreme Personality Sadashiv. I am Sadashiv. I am Mahashakti. And I am Surya. I am the Supreme Master of all beings. And in ancient times, I myself manifested in the 5 main forms. The 5 main forms, Vishnu, Shiva, Shakti, Surya, and Ganesh. Due to ignorance of my true form, they know me not. This is Ganesh Baba. They know me not. Due to ignorance. And ignorance does not only mean not knowing something, you know. But not knowing something and doing something about it. Not doing what you know. That also is ignorance. Samshay? We understand these things? So ignorance is just not knowing. But if you know and don't do it, that is worse ignorance. That is avidya as well. Mator Agni Rapo Dharani Mat Akash Marutan Brahma Vishnuscha Rudrascha Lokpal Disho Dishaha Vasavo Manavo Gavo Manavaha Pasha Vopicha Saritah sagara yaksha vrikshaha pashgina pakshi gana. It is me, it is from me that fire, water, earth, sky, wind, Brahma, Vishnu, Rudra, celestials, the 10 quarters, the Vasus, Manu, the father of men, human beings, the bovine race of cattle, all beings, river, oceans, yakshas, the devatas, the trees, the entire plant kingdom, the entire bird kingdom. It is through me all of this has been created. Because many times we look at, and I know, when we look at Ganesh Baba, and we just remember the few little kata, he like Ladu plenty. He get teeth break out. Many different ways his teeth break, in different kind of fight. You know? And we just watch him as the sun. And sometimes we must remember, in the cycle of things, the father was the son and the son was the father. The father was the son, because that's how the cycle goes as well. And we must not underestimate who we're praying to here. And the opportunities we have, that is the real point. Similarly, all heavenly abodes, the reptile kingdom, the 7 islands, and we were talking about the importance of the seven oceans, the 7 lokas, the 7 islands, all of these things were created by me. The sadhyas, the siddhas, perfected beings, the rakshasas too were produced by me, created by me. I am the solar deity. Aham sakshi jagat chakshur aliptaha sarva karma bhi avikaro apameyo aham avyakto vishvago avyaya. I am detached and beyond all karma. I am beyond duality, causeless, the unmanifested, the all-pervading, indestructible principle. Ahamev param brahm avyava anadatmakam nipa mohayat akhilam maya sristan mamannaranam agnyo avyayo aham bhutatman adir sheshpar evacha astheya trigunam mayam bhavami bahu yonishu. I am the supreme reality, formless and blissful, because we know there is Nirguna and Sagun. There is the unmanifest Bhagwan, and also there is the manifest. So he is both unmanifest and manifest. He is manifest, and we'll hear the reason in a little while. He takes avatar from time to time, according to Lord Ganesh, what he is saying. I don't want to spoil the secret yet. That's the icing on the cake. I am the supreme reality, formless and blissful, having evolved ones, even highly evolved ones, get deluded by my Maya, which is the illusory power. I have no birth. I am indestructible. I am the self of all beings. I am Ishwar, the supreme Lord of the entire creation, making my Maya or energy as the executrix. I myself manifest in the form of all beings. And we listen to our final slok for tonight. Adharmopchaya dharmapachayo me yada bhavet sadhum samrakshitam dushtam stharitum sambhayam vyaham uchidya adharma nichayam dharmam sansthapayamecha. Ganapati Ganesh Bhagwan ki jai. I'm sure you recognize some words, some of those Sanskrit words there. from a favorite verse of Lord Krishna as well in the Gita. If you were paying attention to the words, and not how the Baba song is looking, but the words itself. It means adharmopachay, dharmopachayo. Whenever unrighteousness predominates and virtue declines, then for the protection of the saints and the good, and for the destruction of the wicked demons, I take incarnation. I shall restore and uphold dharma by uprooting unrighteousness. Such are the different leelas of bliss of mine. And we know what is the slok that we know Lord Krishna also says. Yada yadahi dharmasya. For the sake of not Neilji or Sunil or Tiger or anybody, not for their sake, but for the sake of dharma, Bhagwan comes. And for that sake and that sake alone. Not for how much paisa you have, how much power you have, or how much physical strength you have. For the sake of dharma. For the sake of good people and good things. That is when Bhagwan manifests. So anytime, because Ganesh, Bhagwan says he is in all of us. When we remember that and we do our good things, we are elevating ourselves to become who we truly are, which is an avatar as well. Because yada yadahi, yada again and again, and again and again and again and again, I take avatar. Every little winged being is an avatar. But sometimes we forget that and we just remain like Rakshas. So may our Katha tonight, hopefully it has brought to you all and also our viewers on Sankhya television, throughout the world, throughout Trinidad and the world. May Ganapati Baba bless us to have the true knowledge and to do things with the remembrance that we are divine. Ganapati Ganesh Bhagwan ki Jai. So tonight, everyone knows in Satyug, when Bhagwan came as Lord Ganesh, and that katha with Parvati Ma, and then with Lord Shiva coming with the Trishul, taking off the head, and all of that. We'll sing it in this bhajan, or final bhajan before Aarti, right? Everyone knows this song, bhajan. सतयुग की एक बात बताई, गिरजा सुत की कथा सुनाती है। सतयुग की एक बात बताई, गिरजा सुत की कथा सुनाए। जय गणपति जय जय गजानना, जय जय गणेश गणराजा। जय गणपति जय जय गजानन, जय जय गणेश गणराजा। प्रातः स्नान की बेला थी वो, कोई न था पहला देखा जो। मूरत एक माटी की बनाई, प्राण प्रतिष्ठा उसमें कराई। बोली किसी को आने न देना, जब तक ना आदेश सुनाई। सतयुग की एक बात बताई, गिरजा सुत की कथा सुनाती है। इसमें शंकर जी पधारे और बालक ने रोके द्वारे। शिव ने कोप किया तब भारी, ले त्रिशूल निज सुत पे चलाई। सतयुग की एक बात बताई, गिरजा सुत की कथा सुनाती है। शीश उतारा उस बालक का, व्याकुल हाल था पार्वती का। भूल हुए शंकर ने जाने, कैसे किसको प्राण दिलाए। सतयुग की एक बात बताई, गिरजा सुत की कथा सुनाती है। बोली सती एक जीव हो ऐसे, जो मांगे सन्मुख ना सोई। सृष्टि घूम के देखा शिव ने, ऐसे तो गज सुत की आई। सतयुग की एक बात बताई, गिरजा सुत की कथा सुनाती है। शीश ले आए प्रभु गज सुत का, बालक को नव जन्म दिलाया। उस दिन से बन गई गजानन, उस दिन से बन गई गजानन। श्री गणेश गणपति कहलाए। सतयुग की एक बात बताई, गिरजा सुत की कथा सुनाती है। जय गणपति जय जय गजानन, जय जय गणेश बोलो। जय गणपति जय जय गजानन, जय जय गणेश गणराजा। जय गणपति जय जय गजानन, जय जय गणेश गणराजा। जय गणपति जय जय गजानन, जय जय गणेश गणराजा। जय गणपति जय जय गजानन, जय जय गणेश गणराजा। जय गणपति जय जय गजानन, जय जय गणेश गणराजा। जय गणपति जय जय गजानन, जय जय गणेश गणराजा। जय गणपति जय जय गजानन, जय जय गणेश गणराजा। गणपति गणेश भगवान की जय। So we now stand as we do our arti. May the light illumine our hearts and our minds and our beings and the entire world. Jai Ganesh, Jai Ganesh, Jai Ganesh Deva. बोलो जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा। जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा। माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा। जय गणेश देवा। लडुअन को भोग लगे संत करे सेवा, संत करे सेवा। जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश। करे सेवा। जय गणेश देवा, जय गणेश, जय गणेश, जय गणेश देवा। माता गौरी पार्वती पिता महादेवा, जय गणेश देवा। एक दंत दयावंत चार भुजाधारी, चार भुजाधारी। एक दंत दयावंत चार भुजाधारी, चार भुजाधारी। माटे सिंदूर सोहे मूस की सवारी। जय गणेश देवा, जय गणेश, जय गणेश, जय गणेश देवा। माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा, जय गणेश देवा, जय गणेश देवा। हार चढ़े फूल चढ़े और चढ़े मेवा, और चढ़े मेवा। हार चढ़े फूल चढ़े और चढ़े मेवा, और चढ़े मेवा। सूरदास शरण आयो, सूरदास, सूरदास शरण आयो, सूरदास शरण आयो। सुफल की जय सेवा। जय गणेश देवा, जय गणेश, जय गणेश, जय गणेश देवा। माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा, जय गणेश देवा, जय गणेश देवा, जय गणेश देवा। गणपति गणेश को, गणपति गणेश को, उमापति महेश को मेरा ही प्रणाम है, मेरा ही प्रणाम। गणपति गणेश को, गणपति गणेश को, उमापति महेश को मेरा ही प्रणाम है, मेरा ही प्रणाम। गणपति गणेश को, गणपति गणेश को, उमापति महेश को मेरा ही प्रणाम है, मेरा ही प्रणाम है, मेरा ही प्रणाम है, मेरा ही प्रणाम, मेरा ही प्रणाम है, मेरा ही प्रणाम। Clasp our hands, close our eyes. Om mantrahinam kriyahinam भक्तिहीनं जनार्दनं यत् पूजितं मया देव परिपूर्णं तदस्तु मे। ॐ त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव, त्वमेव बन्धुश्च सखा त्वमेव, त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव, त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम तत्सत, हरि ओम तत्सत, हरि ओम तत्सत। सिद्धि विनायक गणपति गणेश भगवान की जय। सत्य सनातन धर्म की जय। सब कोई जय जय सीताराम। आप बैठिए। God bless everyone. Dharma rakshate rakshataha. Those who protect dharma, dharma will always protect them. Thank you very much.